Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to install Human Fall Flat Part 2. This is for once in Part 1 can't play multiplayer. Half of them can't and most of them can't. So first go to Google. Wait, the gardener in my garden, the gardener was making sound with the hose pipe. So first go to Google, search iconic text human fall flat, go over here, scroll down until you see APK and OBB. Install those links. When it's installed, install Zarchiva. Go to first, scroll down, go to download and search for your APK link. Click there, click install and then again install. Okay guys, it's done. Again install, double install. Guys, when app is installed, done, and then refresh Zarchiva, everything, and then again open Zarchiva, go to download OBB and then again refresh it and wait. Okay guys, it's done. Now go to Android OBB and then like this, refresh it 19 times and then do the same progress until you see, oh yes, go to human fall flat and then click on allow and then it will open a file in Zarchiva, this file, and then go down, download and search for the zip folder. Click extract, go on device memory and then Android OBB, this folder, paste it right over here. Yes guys, paste it right over here and when it's pasted successfully, click on this and then click on this like a bit and then click on cut and then go right over here and then paste it right over here and then delete this file. If you guys don't know why I am deleting this, because that was that was the whole progress of, I deleted that, was the progress of the game being white, and this progress makes it human fall flat go by itself. And then click over here and go away, refresh everything and open human fall flat. The game is made with Unity, and guys, there is no problem, like no more problem. If there is problem, then your phone needs to be recharged or something. and install Google Play Games, sign in, and then yes. Oh my god, I have installed it and again continue. Wow, this game is saving my life, bro. So let me show you what happened. First I not here. First I go to options and click on retrieve cloud save. First it was loading and then it showed cross. After some more details it was loading unlimitedly. Like after 1 hour still it was loading. So this was a problem. And when I click on play multiplayer, it shows the authenticate option, whatever you say. So it shows that I don't know why that shows. I like did everything you don't know, but I played till the mansion